Pick the correct answer of each statement and check your English knowledge. Peter belongs blank are his family. Peter belongs to with of. Well, Peter belongs to a rich family. Next one, gardening is my. The correct answer, the correct spelling is hobby, hobby, hobby. Which one? Well, gardening is my hobby. The group of proper noun is chair, table, London, China, China, pen. Well, we are talking about proper noun, so this is the group of proper noun as it has London and China. Both are proper noun. Next one. He had not uttered blank word a and any. Well, he had not uttered a word. We came to the forest to hunting hunts hunt. Hunt. He has read the book by herself, himself, myself. As we know our subject is he, so the answer will definitely he has the book by himself. Countable noun in the river is fish, waves, mud. We cannot count the waves or the mud. We can count the fishes in a river. We can count. So the countable noun is fish. In blank city do you live? Whose, which, who? Well, in which city do you live? May I blank you? May I call you? Calling you? Called you? May I call you? How many syllables are there in the word congratulation? 3, 5, or 4? There are 4 syllables in the word congratulate. The adjective of shine is shiny, bright, or dull. The adjective of shine is shiny. This route is blank. Pick degree of adjective. Pick appropriate degree of adjective. So, long, longer, or longest. The route is long. Hush, do not make a noise. Conjunction, verb, or interjection. The word hush is an interjection.